Yo, what is up guys? It's obviously been a while since the last upload, but today I'm just going to show you how you can make your own FiveM server completely free, and also how to port forward it using both port warp and server creator. Links will be in the description for everything needed today. So first thing, you want to go to the Discord in the description. You're going to see it's going to be called port warp. You'll see obviously server creator and port warp. First one you want to download is server creator, so you're just going to go over to servercreator.net or here, and then you'll click sign up. I already have an account, so I'll click login, and then once you have obviously signed up, you'll be brought here. You're going to click download via Microsoft Store or direct Windows installer, whichever one you want to use. Wait for that all to be downloaded, and then it'll show you another login page. Just put the same information in and you'll get something like this. Now once you get to this place, you just new server, game. Obviously we'll be using FiveM, server name. You can just do anything. I'll just put test for the purpose of the video. Choose where you want it to download. I'm just gonna go in here, select, and now for your authentication key. Obviously do not show this with anyone, or it's just easy for your account to get hacked. I'm gonna use a spare one because I don't use it. Back over to server creator, paste that key in and click create server. Now this will take a bit of time to obviously download all the files, set it all up and everything, but it should not be that long of a wait. See, it was as quick as that. The server is now made. You can go in here, file manager, download files, schedules, plugins such as obviously TXAdmin, Cubicore, ESX, and more. Right, now that you've done that, now we will now just to prove that obviously it is this server, new volume D, FiveM servers, which is where I downloaded it, and it's all here. Server, that's the files, server data, resources, server.cfg, all the basics. Now what you want to do is back to the Discord, port warp, click on this one here, wait for that to load up, and we'll click port warp, and you can either download it or I believe you can stick to the website. I am going to use it on here just for the purpose of the video. Create, and then you're just going to click create your tunnel, which it takes you to the website anyway. You want to use TCP and UDP local port, obviously for FiveM 30120. Since we don't have Pro, since we're going completely free, you'll leave it on auto select best. Create tunnel. Right, now you will get a correct connection address once this is obviously being created. So just wait for that there, and creating. Obviously, it will still take a bit of time to get everything set up, but that's fine. Alright, I will get back to you when that is all set up. Right, now this is all set back up. It says enabled there. So let's go back to the server creator client, go to settings, connect with port warp, log in, make sure you don't share your password with anyone, sorry, sign in and connect. Now we'll just click open open Server Creator again, go back to Server Creator, and now you will get this. Start Port Warp automatically, FTP tunnel, MySQL. For the purpose of the video, all we need is this. Start Port Warp automatically, and you don't even need that because you can start it yourself. But just to make it as easy as possible, I will have it start Port Warp automatically. So now let's go back to console, we'll click start, and as you'll see, the server will begin to load up. And now that it's started, we will copy this connection address. Obviously, you know, it doesn't look pretty, but it's the best you'll get for free. And just boot up FiveM. Of course, it needs an update. Why wouldn't it? Okay. Alright, let me log back in because I don't want to dox myself. Alright, so now that FiveM is loaded up, we will go over to the Port Warp client. We obviously will need this. I know earlier in the video I said we needed just the website, but I may just be going back on my word. So we're going to click the little pause type button there. It's going to start. Obviously copy that address, FiveM, connect, paste that in, and now it'll show this. FiveM will obviously load back up because it's a massive pain. Now back onto FiveM, my FX server project. Obviously, it's a server we just created. The name hasn't changed. The logo hasn't changed. The only thing that's changed is that the server has been virtually port forwarded through obviously Port Warp and the use of Server Creator. So I just want to give a massive thank you to the Port Warp team, which is obviously G and Ruben. Ruben has been a massive help while I've been trying to use this, so very big thank you to him for that. But yeah, that's how you do it. So now that we have made a server, I'm just gonna go ahead and show some other features in here. Obviously you've got the plugins. So far there's only 3 in here: TXAdmin, Cubicore ESX, as I said earlier. You can go settings, integrations. You can enable port forwarding for the server. You can add a Discord webhook, you know, file access. Obviously you do need to go to your actual settings for that, and I believe it's on here, and obviously install that if you want to. But yeah, so just a big thank you to the whole team from both Server Creator and Port Warp. Some great groups of people. I would recommend their services anytime over others, to be honest. It's obviously a small team, small project right now, but they're always looking to grow, and they are great help. Thank you for watching. I hope I could help you on how to create your own FiveM server and port forward it for free. Any questions, make sure you join the Port Warp server or DM me personally on Discord. which I will also leave in the link in the description. But yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching.